Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money with Tippp. Tippp is one of the few websites that allow persons from almost anywhere in the world to make money online by doing surveys and playing games. I'm very excited to bring to you this video as I know I have viewers from all over the world, and more than likely anywhere you are, you'll be able to earn some money online by doing some simple surveys or playing game using Tippp. And by the way, that's T-I-P-P-P, so there are 3 P's. Simply type that in, and once you have done that and go on to tipp.io and you enter your login information, your email address, and create a password, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here you can simply scroll down. And quick disclaimer, depending on the country you're in, you will see different options on your offer wall. So if you're living in the United Kingdom or the United States, any one of those tier 1 countries, you will see even better offers than what I'm seeing right here. As remember, I'm in the Caribbean right now, and I'm still seeing numerous offers that I can use to make a good amount of money. So I can only imagine persons that are in the United States, what type of offers they are seeing. And by the way, this is a reliable website and they do pay out. And later on in the video, I'll be showing you how to redeem your reward. But you can see right here on their offer wall at the moment, there are numerous options I can choose from. And if I scroll down, you will see there are surveys that I can complete to earn over 50,000 points. And by the way, 1,000 points equal $1. And there's also a way to earn even more money when it comes onto this website. And before I go any further, let me show you an estimate of how much some persons are making. As if I should tap on the leaderboard right here and simply scroll down, you can see how much this person has earned thus far. You can see here, this person has earned over 73,000 points and they have gotten 30,000 bonus points. And if I should scroll down, you can see that majority of the persons that are at the top of the list tend to be from tier 1 countries. As I had stated earlier, depending on the country or region you're in, you'll be able to earn even more using this website. But it doesn't matter, as this is a good website to earn some extra money in your free time. And by scrolling up again, I'll simply tap in the top right hand corner on the 3 cards as I want to show you the withdrawal options. Once you have earned your estimated $10 right here, you can simply tap on the gift card option. And I can show you some examples of some payouts that you can get. You can choose to get paid via Amazon gift card, or if you would prefer to get paid crypto token, so you can select Bitcoin right here. So you'll simply enter your Bitcoin wallet and you could get paid. Or if you want to get some Google Play gift card, you can do that also. So Tippp is definitely a good option to check out. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. I would definitely recommend you sign up with this website and give it a try. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.